Look who's here. Are you two having fun?
Yes, Mummy.
Yes,
What
Mummy.
are you doing?
I'm making raspberry pie.
Raspberry pie.
Do you want to help?
Yes.
Great.
Do you
I
want to
need
help?
someone to squish all these raspberries.
Chomba-bubbles.
Do you think you can do that?
Do you think you can do
needs
it?
your help to squish the raspberries for her raspberry pie.
Can you squish the
Try
raspberries?
squishing them as fast as you
Just
can.
kidding, I got this. How do I do this?
Excellent. Now let's finish the pie.
Peppa Pig. Oh my
Ready?
god, I just baked
Who
the
would like a
fastest
piece?
Me.
Peppa Pig. What am I trying to say? World record? This game is rotting my brain from the inside.
Enjoy.
Oh. Thank you.
Would you like to help me out one more time?
Okay.
Use
Why?
the button at the side of the elevator to go up. You can hold it or push it lots of times
do?
as fast as you can.
Yeah, press it as fast as you can. I'm going to the top. Ooh, to the top, 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 to the top.